Coming ready to roll.
Alright, ready? What's up, guys? I'm Robert. This is To The Limits, and that's a 335i custom body kit and everything. Now come around for the back first. The back, it has like a M3 front and rear bumper kit. Exhaust. As you can hear right now, it sounds very good. It's an inline 6-cylinder twin turbo, making a lot of power. Has full bolts on between downpipe, the turbo, the full exhaust, everything custom. Come around. We got this massive carbon fiber spoiler. Now this thing look good. It's big. It's a bing wang gang. Carbon fiber on the trunk as well with a little ducktail. All of that looks sick. Again, it's made to look like a M3, but with like a wide body kit, and the wide body kit is custom made. Now look, come at the rims, the red rims. That itself looks sick. The dish, and then the interior is red as well. Did I mention it was a convertible, guys? This thing is sick.
Match your shirt.
Match my shirt too. What was it? Mine's, guys? Now look, 335i like an M3. The interior is nice. The automatic gearbox. This thing is nice. This thing is sick. And how low it is? It is sitting on bags. Air suspension, in other words. Again, the body kit is custom. Come around. N54. That's the engine, baby. And then for the front. It is an iconic M3 front bumper. They had to do a lot of fabrication for this to fit. It's not a little bit of work going into this car, people. It's a lot. And the owner, he's an amazing dude. Clean culture, the crew. The headlights. Those look sick. The yellow on the BMW headlights make it look like a race car in the GTLM series. Engine, again, the inline 6-cylinder, full bolt-ons to it, making around 450, 470 horsepower. It's just an overall amazing looking car. And we're about to see how it sounds, how it drives. And last thing, the interior. Red seats. Red seats. It has to be on a BMW. I told you guys this before. Red in the mirror caps as well. Show them the mirror cap now. Red in the mirror caps as well. This car is just overall sick. It's a sick looking car, and you know what? I love it a lot. Let's hear it. By the way, if you like the license plate, he sells it. You can buy it from him. I'll put a link in the description. Let's get on the road. Pops on the bungs, sick. With a tune if you get to it.
Probably shoot full.
This thing is sick. normally with a big wing you'd normally have like the normal trunk, but you have the ducktail trunk. It look.
Yeah, I want it to be different.
The overall look just clean. Cause just here drive past, you know. And we look to the left and I said, yo, that be more than 6. You see, because we start the channel to have them up on the channel, you know.